Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Thursday, July 1st, 2021. It is 4:46 and 26 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, tumors, and don't forget to check out my website. So let's hop to it here. Looking at tumors through a new lens. Date June 29, 2021. Source, Institute for Systems Biology. A new study reveals vulnerabilities in recurrent glioblastoma, providing potential co-targets for enhancing neoadjuvant immune checkpoint blockade. Neoadjuvant immune checkpoint blockade, ICB, is a promising treatment for melanoma and other cancer types. It has recently been shown to provide a modest survival benefit for patients with recurrent glioblastoma. And to improve the treatment efficiency, researchers are looking for vulnerabilities in surgical removed glioblastoma tissues, but this has been difficult due to the vast differences within the tumor and between patients. And to address this challenge, researchers at the Institute for Systems Biology, ISB, and their collaborators developed a new way to study tumors. The method builds mathematical models using machine learning-based image analysis and multiplex spatial protein profiling of microscopic compartments in the tumors. The team used the approach to analyze and compare tumor tissues collected from 13 patients with recurrent glioblastoma and 23 patients with high-risk melanoma, with both sets of patients treated with neoadjuvant ICB. Using melanoma to guide the interpretation of glioblastoma analysis, they identified the proteins that correlate with tumor-killing T cells, tumor growth, and immune cell-cell interactions. This work reveals similarities shared between glioblastoma and melanoma, immunosuppressive factors that are unique to the glioblastoma microenvironment, and potential co-targets for enhancing the efficiency of neoadjuvant immune checkpoint blockade. And this framework can be used to uncover pathophysiological and molecular features that determine the effectiveness of immunotherapies. Brain cancer represents one of the most challenging settings for achieving immunotherapy success. The fruitful collaboration between scientists and clinicians provides a tremendous opportunity for improving patient care and achieving an understanding of cancer immunotherapy at the deepest levels. Researchers believe that the integrated biological, clinical, and methodological insights derived from comparing two classes of tumors, widely seen as at the opposite ends of the spectrum with respect to immunotherapy treatments, should be of interest to broad scientific and clinical audiences. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.